Hello everyone. Great morning, or in case you're going to join the class in the afternoon and evening, good afternoon or great evening. How are you all doing today? Hope you're fine. Hope you're well indeed. Oh, I'm doing well too. I'm well indeed. Thank you for asking. You're welcome to your basic science class. In the last class, we talked about water. We talked about water, and we said that water that is free from any germ or particle can be called good water, while ones that are not free from any particle or germs are called bad water. And we mentioned some sources of water. We categorize these sources into two. We have natural sources and artificial sources. Natural sources are those that are God made, that are made by God, like the stream, rainwater, the the well. The well is natural and artificial because there's water in the ground and humans now dig into the ground. So it's artificial because men dig into the ground to get it, right? All right, but the water is already existing. God kept the water on the ground there. All right. We also have spring, we have stream, sea, rivers, and all of them. These are natural source of water. And we have artificial source of water. They are some type of source of water that are man made, like the dams kind, like example, the Kainji Dam. It was human made that dam. Yes, Kainji Dam. We have tap, and we have the press, um, the borehole water. All right. So today we'll talk about. We also saw the properties of good water and properties of bad water. Yes. All right. So today we'll be talking about the uses of water to man, animals, and plants. Uses of water to man, animals, and plants. All right. Water is very important in the lives of living things. It is very important. Every living thing needs water. Every living thing needs water to to survive. It is useful for human beings, plants, and animals. Humans use water in the following activities. Humans use water to take their bath. Yes. How many of us use powder to take our bath, or oil, or stones, or sand? No, we use water to clean up our body and become neat and fresh. We use water to wash our clothes. Yes, we use water to wash our clothes. We drink water for drinking. Oh, I wrote for drinking two times. My bad. So, we also drink water. Humans drink water. Water helps in food digestion. Yes, water helps human in food digestion. It also helps to take out waste from the body. It helps to take out waste from the body. Water transports waste out of our body. The waste comes out as sweat, as urine. It is water that helps us to take out waste from our body. So, three activities human use water. There are so many other activities, but we just mentioned three of them: for bathing, for washing, for drinking. Yes, there are other activities. You could include yours while making your notes. Okay, you could include yours while making your notes. Well, I just mentioned three of them. All right, let's go to the next page. The uses of water to plants. The uses of water to plants. Water is very important to plants. It is very important to plants because it helps the plants to grow. It helps the plants to grow. The plant is is growing on a soil, and if there is no water in the soil, the plants will die, the plants will not grow. Just imagine this period, it's not been raining. Look at the grass in the playground. Many of them are dying because there is no much water in the soil to help it grow, to help it get green leaves. Yes, but when there is enough water in the soil, they are going to grow well, beautifully, with green leaves everywhere. All right. So water helps to hydrate the plant. I mentioned before, it helps to keep the plant fresh. It helps to keep the plant fresh. If you uproot, if you uproot a plant, let's say a water leaf from the soil, it's going to wither before evening because it has been taken out from the source of water, the place it gets water. Water helps to regulate plant temperature in the process of transpiration. Transpiration means evaporation of water from the soil. So water helps to regulate plants temperature. When the temperature is so hot, the water in the soil helps to bring it down. Yes, it helps to regulate plants temperature. Okay, water helps to transport nutrients and minerals through the plant and its cell. It helps to transport minerals and nutrients. Water that exists in the soil helps to transport mineral and nutrients through the plant and its cell. So we mentioned four uses of water to plants. It helps the plant to grow well. It helps to hydrate the plant. It helps to regulate plant temperature in the process of transpiration. Water helps to transport nutrients and minerals through the plant and its cell. So let us now find out the uses of water to animals. The uses of water to animals. Water provides shelter for some animals. Yes, animals that live in water. Imagine that there is no water for them. They will all die. They will all die. Animals like reptiles, like fishes, like hermaphrodites. These are animals that lives in water, that their habitat is water. So if there is no water, they would not survive. So water helps to keep these animals alive. It helps to provide shelter for these animals. Water aids food digestion in animal. Yes, in humans and animal, water helps to digest the food they take. That is why it is advised that when you're eating, you should have your water by your side. When you're done eating or in between meal, you could just take a little water to help digest the food. So number three, water helps to regulate body temperature. Water helps to regulate body temperature. When you're feeling hot, what do you take? You take cold water and it will help to bring down the body temperature. Water helps to regulate body temperature. And lastly, water helps to transport waste such as sweat, urine away from the body. Yes, water helps to transport waste um away from the body of animals and even humans. All right. So remember we're still talking about the the uses of water to man, the uses of water to plants, and the uses of water to animals. And we've mentioned a lot of them. It helps to regulate the body temperature. It helps to keep the plants alive. It helps to hydrate the plants. A lot of them. It helps. It helps to regulate the plant temperature in the process of transpiration. And remember, I mentioned that transpiration means evaporation of water from the soil. We can't see it with our eyes, but it happens. All right. So we've come to the end of today's class. I have so many questions for you guys today. You have to mention 3 uses of water to animals. Water helps to regulate plant temperature through the process called what? Is it translocation, respiration, transpiration, or photosynthesis? Water is important in living or non-living things. True or false? All right. So make your notes, answer these questions, and I'll see you tomorrow. In case you have any question to ask Miss Dorcas today, please go ahead and ask the questions and I would answer all of them. Remember to make your notes. Remember to answer these questions. I'll go through your notes tomorrow and also see your questions. If there is any need for corrections, I'll give the corrections. All right, we've come to the end of today's class. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good time, guys. Bye.